Listen carefully to the passage. Try to understand the main idea and details. If needed, pause the video and listen again. You can replay the passage as many times as you want before moving on to the questions.
Anna has a cat named Milo. Milo is small, white, and very playful. He likes to jump on the couch, chase toys, and sleep in the sun. Every morning, Milo waits at the door for Anna to wake up. He follows her to the kitchen and meows for food. Anna gives him dry cat food and sometimes a little fish. After eating, Milo sits on the window and watches birds outside. He loves to look at the trees and the people walking by. In the evening, Anna plays with Milo using a string toy. Milo runs, jumps, and catches the string with his paws. Anna laughs and feels happy. She loves her cat and thinks he is the best pet in the world.
Now, it's time for the quiz. Answer the following 5 questions based on what you just heard. Write down your answers and check how many you got right. Don't forget to share your score in the comments.